I'm Heidi Hewitt here with Guillermo Melantoni. Guillermo, what is the process for using AutoCAD with Revit in the design process?
Okay, so once you have a conceptual design in AutoCAD, of course you want to take it into Revit. So how do you do that? First of all, you need to understand the topology. So what objects do you have in AutoCAD? You probably want to have either a solid or a surface. So now with our new surface modeling, we have very good NURB surfaces. So if you have solids or NURBs, you can take that as a DWG into Revit. Once in Revit, what you want to do probably is to create, depending on what you want to do, you want to create a family in Revit. So instead of opening a new project, you open a new family template where you insert the file from AutoCAD. Right there, then you can do several operations in Revit that take advantage of the intelligence which is inherent in Revit's features. For example, rationalizing, let's say that you have a roof and you want to create a curtain wall or a structure there or on a side, and you can rationalize it, you can change the panels, stuff that makes a lot of sense, again, on a purpose-built tool like Revit. Once you have all that done, you can take that into a project and just keep on working on the architectural features done in Revit.
So if I'm understanding right, you're able to actually take that geometry in AutoCAD, and when you bring it into Revit as a surface or a solid, then you can actually use those intelligent design tools in Revit on that geometry.
Right, because Revit can understand the faces, either of the surface or the patches of a solid. So just by clicking on faces, you can say, okay, I want to convert this face into a wall, or this face into a roof, or slice the whole thing, and then you need a solid to slice it and get the floors. So you can go very fast from a conceptual design to something that you, for example, can measure. When you're starting a conceptual design, you really want to understand, for example, the area, because you need to sell that afterwards. So it's very good to have that kind of information at the beginning. So that's why AutoCAD and Revit together are a very powerful force.
Great. Well, thanks, Guillermo.
You're welcome.